Hi everyone, my name is Gong Chen. I'm talking about chapter 3 today, which is called the Managing Systems Projects. Firstly, system analysis and design is a step-by-step process for developing high-quality information systems. Information systems refers to a combination of technology, people, and data to perform certain business functions. So, a process of creating successful information systems is called systems analysis and design. For example, manufacturing systems which include process of production control and inventory. Employee administration systems which include payroll, benefits, and project management. System analysts need to plan, develop, and maintain information systems and also manage information technology projects, including tasks, resources, schedules, and costs. They should understand how to apply technology to solve business problems, and they may serve as change agents who identify the organizational improvement. They also conduct meetings, deliver presentations, and write memos, reports, and documentation. My chapter's name is Managing Systems Projects. The keywords in this chapter are managing and projects. I think this chapter is talking about how to make a successful system project, learning how to manage system projects effectively and efficiently through all kinds of functions and tools. Chapter 3 belongs to first one called Systems Planning, which is the last chapter of first one. Systems planning is the first phase in the systems development life cycle. It talks about how systems projects get started, how to evaluate a project proposal to determine its feasibility, and how to use project management tools and techniques. The deliverable for this phase is the preliminary investigation report. This chapter mainly has six subtopics. The purpose of the overview of project management is describing a project triangle and tasks of project managers. Creating a work breakdown structure's purpose is learning how to make a Gantt chart and PR chart in Microsoft Project. The purpose of identifying task pattern is understanding meaning of task boxes. Then we should learn to manage risks and make a successful systems project. This chapter is the last chapter of first one, so previous chapters are exactly related to this chapter. Chapter 1 introduces information technology, information system, and useful and critical system development methods. Chapter 2 introduces how to analyze the business case. These two chapters make us better understanding system projects. This first is about system planning and the system projects management so that we can learn requirements, modeling tools, and functions from chapter 4. Project managers, project leaders, analysts, programmers, and coordinators are mentioned in this chapter. I think project managers or leaders are the most important role in this chapter because their main objective is to perform 4 activities in this chapter, which are planning, scheduling, monitoring, and reporting. In this chapter, I learned a lot of tools, techniques, and process which are important for system analyst. The four activities of a project manager in the project management process, which are planning, scheduling, monitoring, and reporting. A project triangle which consists of time, cost, and scope. A work breakdown structure which includes a Gantt chart and a PER chart of a project. And task patterns and critical path analysis, risk management, successful information system. Questions below are that I would address for performing to analyze and design a new information system for an organization. The first one is, what is the new information system about? A specific objective such as office systems or operation systems or support systems. And the second question is, what are its functions and features? Like what is the company about, and what's the product, and what's the mission objectives of the information system. The third question is, who will use the information system? The people who will use this information system. The headings and subheadings of the findings. The heading might be project status report, and the subheadings might be project name, department name, focus area, project or process, and prepared by who, and project status report version control, something like that. In this chapter, my three favorite key terms are PERT chart, project triangle, and risk management. PERT chart is better than Gantt chart because I think PERT chart is more clearly and directly to understand the time and information of a project process. PERT chart is a useful method that shows a big project's tasks in a diagram chart. From this chapter, we can clearly see what the task is, and what the beginning data and ending data are. It's very clear. A typical project triangle is a combination of cost, scope, and time. To find optimal balance among the factors is a challenge for system analysts, and any change in one factor of the triangle will affect the other two factors. So it's very important that single one factor is important for system analyst. And the last one is risk management is very interesting in me because I think everything in the world will have risk. then risk management is especially important for everyone. For systems analysis and design, risk management is absolutely critical, and only serving and managing risks projects can success. Thanks for listening.